Model, 2015 Toyota PROACE Dispatch Expert L2 Diesel 120 Van 2.0 HDIH 1128 HP needs clutch. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 188,279. MOT, the 15th of February 2025. Engine, 1997 cc 2.0128 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. All the gears engaged correctly, but it just has no drive. The clutch plate has burned out and will need the clutch replacing. Straightforward simple repair. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, air con.